I agree with Mr. Malviya. I think he's right. We saw it in Uttar Pradesh that 1 plus 1 didn't make 2 when it came to the Samajwadi Party and the BSP coming together. Chemistry does matter in politics. Arithmetic also matters. In a state like Maharashtra, if you had a coalition of Shiv Sena, NCP and the Congress coming together, they're a pretty formidable coalition just in terms of the arithmetic that the three parties bring to the table.
But there the BJP's roots aren't as deep as they are in Uttar Pradesh.
Absolutely. But therefore, to bridge the gap between arithmetic and chemistry, you need a narrative. What is the narrative that this coalition, if it is to come together, will bring? It's not simply, we are going to put up one candidate across India to take on the BJP. You're going to have to tell us what you represent. Mr. Modi is very clear what he represents. Now, the oppositional forces are hoping that anti-incumbency will have crept in 10 years, fuel prices, COVID, all of that builds up over the next couple of years, and you can sort of encircle Mr. Modi. I think you're going to also have to give a narrative which is clear, because otherwise Mr. Modi will say this is a khichdi. As he said, you were showing pictures of 2018 when H.D. Kumaraswamy was chosen as the Karnataka Chief Minister. All these leaders came together. What happened in the end? I think you need something more. No, when these leaders came in 1977, during the Janata Party years, they had a clear narrative of very singularly targeting Indira Gandhi and her emergency. Now what it seems, and that's where I got an inkling from what Mamta said in that press conference today, it's Modi versus the country. That the people are angry and restive, she believes, or she would like to believe.
No, but you have to be out on the ground.
Absolutely. And I think, if I may say so, the elephant in the room, which you've not looked at the moment, is the Congress party.
The Congress was invited for this show. They decided to stay away because they don't know what to make of this question.
Look, the fact is, you mentioned about 204 seats. My analysis is about 180 to 190 seats in 2019 had a one-on-one battle between the Congress and the BJP. The BJP won over 175 of them by an average margin of 16 to 17%. So, unless the Congress revives, unless the Congress recovers, and that's why Prashant Kishore's name is coming, that he will play that role of trying to...
Has that reached anywhere?
I'm told that that's, while Mamta Banerjee herself is looking at Tripura as her next sort of, where she once also attempted a few years ago to sort of become the government, Prashant Kishore could play that role. We don't know how far that's gone. But unless the Congress recovers, how are you going to build this nationwide coalition when there is a hole in these 200 seats or 180 seats? So that's not happened, and therefore Mamta Banerjee is...
No, but I'll tell you why it's still a potent idea. So think of it like hockey. In the 200 seats where it's Congress versus BJP, pardon me saying, so it's a bit like India-Australia. So you know that here India is weak and Australia is going to win 7-1 or whatever the scoreline is, but in those seats they'll do well. In the other 339 seats, where again the opposition vote got split, if there is one Gathbandhan candidate, it does make the BJP sweat because they're strongest when they're fighting the Congress. It is tougher for them when they're fighting the likes of...
No, but please tell me how practical terms. Give me a state, I'll give you an example of a state like Telangana. Are you telling me that the TRS will vacate space to the Congress or the Congress will vacate space to the TRS?
Absolutely not.
It's not going to happen. Why will the Congress vacate space to the TRS? There are many such states where individual parties will not so easily vacate to the other states. In Odisha, is a Naveen Patnaik going to come overnight and say, okay,
now that, Bishwajit Deb, is the problem with this idea. Whether it is Telangana, whether it is Andhra or it's Orissa, this idea looks good when all those leaders are on one stage after Deva Gowda was sworn in, but in practicality, you will want, the Congress will want candidates in Odisha, they'll want candidates in Telangana, and that essentially means this whole idea of the Mahagathbandhan versus Modi is not going to fly. You've got an aeroplane which is on the tarmac, but it's not going to take off.
No, Aam Aadmi Party, Rahul.
All of them.
Aam Aadmi Party, will it vacate space for the Congress or vice versa?
Well, you see, I was hearing, I was hearing this arithmetic and chemistry all along. But I would like to specifically say that forget about arithmetic and chemistry. The people of India, they are ready to get a government alternate to Narendra Modi. They are ready to remove this autocratic government.
No, that's what you think.
They are ready to remove.
Sir, that's what you're saying. But unless there is mass mobilization, unless the opposition is hitting the streets, amplifying the opposition's agenda, it can't happen by photo opportunities and opposition leaders like Rahul Gandhi tweeting. You have to be on the ground trying to build an atmosphere against the government.
Let me finish. Well, Rahul, let me finish. Let me finish. Now the atmosphere is, you can understand the excitement in Delhi centering Mamata Banerjee, the opposition excitement centering Mamata Banerjee. You can understand after 2021. And this is 2024 we are looking for. And definitely it will be an opposition unity. Mamata Banerjee has categorically mentioned today that forget about who is the leader. We want a unity. And the people of the country, they are ready. They are ready to see that there is an alternative government. There is a government which is not led by BJP.
No, Jayanta Ghoshal, to say we want to see unity is very different from being able to achieve unity. Whether it is Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, or any of these states,
unity will work out.
Sir, वो कहने से नहीं होता ना. How will it happen? Jayanta Ghoshal, in practical
I would like
terms.
to ask him a simple, what about the left? Sir, Vishwajit ji, what is your relationship with the left? Will you have Mr. Sitaram Yechuri on the same platform as a Mamata Banerjee? Let's get down to brass tacks. Is Arvind Kejriwal going to share a platform with Rahul Gandhi? Or vice versa?
Again, I'm repeating. It is compulsion. It is the compulsion to remove this government led by Narendra Modi. We have to.
No.
We have